Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy, your tech guide for iPhone tips and fixes. So I just picked up my iPhone 14 Pro, and boom, it says iPhone unavailable, but with no timer at all. If that happened to you, don't panic. Today I'll explain what's really going on and show you 7 proven ways to fix it, including one simple tool that can unlock your iPhone in just minutes. What iPhone unavailable no timer means. When your iPhone says iPhone unavailable without showing a countdown timer, it means your device is completely locked out, even though you can still see the time in the Erase iPhone option. This usually happens after too many failed passcode attempts, or sometimes due to iOS bugs or syncing issues. The good news? You've still got options. Ways to fix iPhone unavailable no timer. Fix 1. Use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Recommended. The fastest and most reliable fix is using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. It's a professional tool that can remove your screen passcode and unlock any iPhone model, even with this no timer issue. Here's how it works. Download and open Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Choose Wipe Passcode. iPhone unavailable, no timer. Connect your iPhone. Passixer will detect it and download the right firmware. Click Next, type 0000 and hit Unlock. In a few minutes, your iPhone reboots. Fully unlocked. It can even remove Apple ID, MDM, and screen time locks too. Get it at Passixer.com. Links below. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone. If the issue was just a temporary glitch, this can help. For iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 3. Erase iPhone via iCloud. If you had Find My iPhone turned on, go to iCloud.com. Find My All Devices. Erase this device. This remotely resets your iPhone and removes the unavailable screen. Fix 4. Restore via iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder on Mac. Select your device. Choose Restore iPhone and confirm. This reinstalls iOS and removes the passcode. Fix 5. Use Recovery Mode. If iTunes doesn't detect your device, put it in recovery mode first. Press the right button combo for your model listed on Apple's site, then restore it. Fix 6. Update iOS with DFU Mode. Sometimes system glitches cause the screen. Entering DFU Mode allows you to reinstall the firmware deeply, fixing corrupted system files. Fix 7. Use Erase iPhone on the screen. If your iPhone shows the Erase iPhone option and you remember your Apple ID, tap it. This performs a factory reset right from the lock screen. No computer needed. So there you go. 7 ways to fix iPhone unavailable no timer. If you want the quickest and most guaranteed method, go with Passixer iPhone Unlocker. It works every time. Thanks for watching Eassiy Official. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more iPhone fix tutorials. See you next time.